Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pyramid Solitaire. To begin, you'll set up the game by dealing 28 cards face-up in a pyramid formation. The top row has 1 card, the next has 2, and this continues for 7 rows, with each card slightly overlapping the one below it. The remaining 24 cards form your face-down draw pile, ready for when you need more options. The main objective of Pyramid Solitaire is to clear all 52 cards from the pyramid and the draw pile. You achieve this by matching pairs of uncovered cards that add up to a total of 13. For example, a 10 and a 3 make 13. Kings are special. They are worth 13 points and can be removed on their own without a pair. Queens are valued at 12, jacks at 11, and aces at 1. When you can't make any more matches from the pyramid, you'll use your draw pile. Turn over the top card, and if it can form a pair of 13 with an uncovered pyramid card, make the match. If not, place it face up onto a discard pile. Remember, you can only use the very top card of this discard pile for future matches, adding a strategic layer to your play. You win Pyramid Solitaire when you successfully remove every single card from the pyramid. A key strategy is to always prioritize clearing cards that are currently blocking other cards in the rows below. This opens up new possibilities for matches. Try to expose cards in the lower rows as quickly as possible, and always think a few moves ahead to maximize your chances of clearing the entire pyramid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.